Do you feel like budgeting is just too complicated? Like no matter how many apps you try, you are still living paycheck to paycheck, feeling confused, frustrated, or even anxious? You are not alone. And today I'm going to show you how minimalist budgeting can simplify your entire financial life, even if you are on a small income or just getting started with money management. Hi everyone, I'm Jen, and I hope people like you ditch the overwhelm and finally feel in control of your money. If you are tired of overthinking every dollar, this video for you. Firstly, what is minimalist budgeting? Let's get one thing straight. Minimalist budgeting isn't about deprivation or being cheap. It's about intentionality. It's cutting out the noise and focusing on what really matters. Think of it like decluttering your money. You don't need 10 budgeting categories and 4 tracking apps. You need a simple system that works, and stick with it. Next, there are 3 core steps to build a minimalist budget. Step 1. Know your number. How much do you earn each month? And how much do you need for essential, rent, food, utilities, transport? Second step. Create a simple budget categories. I'm not talking about 75, 10, 15 rules as others. I'm talking about 70, 10, 10, 10 rules. Instead of 15 micro categories, arrange them into 4 main categories. Essential 75%, savings 10%, fund or flexible 10%, debt if needed 10%. Step 3. Track quickly, not daily. Forget obsessing over every coffee. Just do a 10-minute check once a week. That's it. You can use Notebook, Google Sheet, or free app like Everydollar. Let me tell you why this works. If you have ever tried budgeting and quit after a week, it's probably because it was too much, too many numbers, too much guilt. But minimalist budgeting reduces decision fatigue. You are not stressing over every $2 spending. It's easier to stick to, especially if you are new to money management. The fewer moving parts, the easier it is to keep going. Let me tell you about my personal story. Before I simplified, I used to spend hours tracking every dollar. It drove me crazy, and I still overspend. Now, my whole budget takes me 10 minutes a week. I'm actually saving money. Therefore, the below example don't need the exact 70, 10, 10, 10 rule, but flexible depends on your own situation. The first example for the low income or student budgets. Let's say you make $1,200 a month. You can simplify to 800 go to essential, 100 to saving, 200 for the fund or flexible, and another 100 to pay the debt. Simple, it's clear and done. Second example for a small family bringing in $3,000 a month. Allocate $2,000 for essential, $300 for saving, $400 for fund or flexible, and $300 for debt or emergency fund. Here's the challenge for you. Right after this video, take 10 minutes and write down your 4 minimalist budget categories. That's your starting point. Quick tips to stay on track. Set 1 financial goal per month. Unsubscribe from shopping emails. Do a weekly check-in on Sunday night. Celebrate small wins. Even sticking to your budget for a week is progress. Budgeting doesn't have to feel like punishment. With a minimalist mindset, you get to focus on what matters most and finally start making progress. What's one thing you could simplify in your budget right now? Tell me in the comments below. I read everyone. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on simple living and smart money. New videos every week to help you thrive on less.